In this case, Sundyota Numandi's Probioceutical Pvt. Limited filed an appeal against the order in original passed by the Commissioner of Customs, New Delhi, which classified their imported goods, Tendofit, Mobile, and GG Orosoluble, under Chapter Heading 2106 as miscellaneous edible preparations. The appellant argued that these products were raw materials and not edible at the time of import, and should be classified under Chapter Headings 3913 and 3002 based on their essential characteristics. The Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, CESTAT, New Delhi, analyzed the case based on the General Rules of Interpretation, GIR, and expert opinions from reputed institutions like IIT Delhi and IIT Bhubaneswar. The tribunal emphasized that classification must be determined based on the condition of goods at the time of import, not their intended use after processing. It also highlighted that the burden of proof lies with the Revenue Department to justify their classification. Key findings: Tendofit, classified under CTH 3913 as a natural polymer due to its essential component, chondroitin sulfate, which is supported by expert opinions and international customs rulings. Mobile, classified under CTH 3913 as a natural polymer, with sodium hyaluronate providing its essential character. The tribunal rejected the department's claim that it was a food preparation under CTH 2106, GG Orosoluble, classified under CTH 3002 as a probiotic culture of microorganisms, supported by expert opinion and the absence of evidence from the department to prove its classification as a food preparation. The tribunal relied on key case citations, including Commissioner of Customs, Imports versus M.S. Welkins Foods, 2026, emphasizing classification based on the condition of goods at the time of import. HPL Chemicals versus Commissioner of Customs, Excise, Chandigarh, 2006, highlighting the burden of proof on the Revenue Department for classification disputes. Union of India vs. Garware Nylons Limited, 1996, reinforcing the need for evidence to support classification claims. Dennisco, India, PVT Limited vs. Commissioner of Customs, Air Cargo Complex Andheri, 2023, confirming probiotics as cultures of microorganisms under CTH 3002. The tribunal set aside the impugned order and allowed the appeal, ruling in favor of Sundyota Numandi's Probioceutical Pvt. Limited. This decision underscores the importance of adhering to established classification principles and relying on expert opinions and evidence in customs disputes. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.